Now this looks so sick. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So this has been a long time coming. I haven't done a video for Gogocarbon, who is one of my awesome sponsors, in a long time. But that's because they had a lot of things in production, and this is what I'm about to show you right now. This right here that you saw from the opening on the intro, these are the inner door opener pieces right here. Made from 3K12 weave. You have a UV resistant coating, and it's super nice and glossy. You can see the carbon also coming through on the other side. You can see the weave on the material right there. So you know that you're getting something that's actually real and not a lot of fake stuff like you might see on like eBay or Amazon or a lot of other distributors right now. Okay, so that's why, you know, I mean, you're paying for pretty much quality right here. But anyway, Gogocarbon, they're no stranger. Like, obviously you could see like my mirror caps, these parts over here, my door handles, the door bowl, a lot of other different parts that they have for my car, my access port cover, all of that stuff. So they make quality products, and the stuff still looks fantastic till this day. Till this day. No types of like fading or anything like that. So anyway, so as I said, what this is for the inner door opener. The large ones go to the back, the smaller ones go towards the front, and I'll show you how that goes real quick. The hardest thing you got to do is peel off this 3M tape, and you're straight. So guys, before you do that, just make sure you wipe down the surface off where the pieces go. It's right here. So this is the one for the rear right here. It's going to be going right on this section right here. So you just got to take something, wipe it down, make sure it's good for the adhesion, and just take your time and just stick it on there. This is not a this is not a very complex video. It's pretty much peel and stick, and that's it. All right guys, so the passenger side is done. Actually, the fit is pretty damn good. They had the angles right. This window on the hole is, I would say, about 1 millimeter slightly larger than mine. So I just put it like, try to make it as even as possible on all sides. And this white thing that you see me using here, this was adhesion promoter from some of their previous boxes that they sent me, and I put it on the 3M strip so it helps stick everything like perfectly. Okay, so a little adhesion promoter helps. You can get it from any type of like AutoZone or Amazon or whatever the case might be. I don't know if they will continue to send this in their boxes. I'm just letting you know this is from one of their previous boxes, but it works great. And look at the rear one over here. Rear one looks pretty damn nice. Comes around from the side. It looks freaking dope, man. Looks freaking dope. So let me just finish up the driver's side and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So all 4 of them are installed. Looks pretty damn good. As I said, these are the prototypes, and they're pretty much spot on. The front door openers, there's about I would say about a millimeter. They could add a little bit more material to kind of like slightly cover in here, because once you press everything in with the contours, you know, this is this little gap right there is what you see. Now it's hard to notice, like especially from a distance. So like if I stand over here, you really can't notice anything like that. So they're just gonna have to work on that. But other than that, the rears look so nice, so nice. And this is the front right here. As I said, you really can't notice any of the gaps. I tried to make this one like space it evenly on all sides, so it's like a 0.5 millimeter now of a little bit of a gap. But that's, as I said, it looks like nothing. I'm just super OCD, so I notice everything. So I'll let them know my findings so they can fine-tune this, you know, to however they want or however they see fit. You know what I'm saying? But guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Everything, all the links are gonna be in the description of this video, where you can get 10% off on Amazon. And if you have Prime, you can get the stuff in 2 days. So with that, I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.